Pump-action shotguns, an enduring icon in firearms, embody reliability and versatility. Operating through manual cycling of the pump mechanism, these shotguns offer rapid fire, making them ideal for hunting, home defense, and sport shooting. Known for their simplicity, robustness, and ease of maintenance, pump-action shotguns are trusted for their ability to handle a wide range of loads and applications. A staple in the firearms world, they continue to stand the test of time, earning a place in every shooter's arsenal. Number 4. Fabarm STF-12 Compact Shotgun. A versatile and agile firearm designed for close quarters engagements and tactical applications. Built on the foundation of Fabarm's renowned STF-12 platform, this pump-action shotgun delivers exceptional performance and reliability in a compact and maneuverable package. With its 12.5-inch barrel and compact size, the STF-12 Compact excels in tight spaces, making it an ideal choice for home defense and law enforcement operations. The shotgun's robust construction and durable materials ensure long-lasting durability, while the adjustable stock allows for customized fit and comfort. The STF-12 Compact features a detachable magazine, enabling quick and efficient reloads, and its Picatinny rail provides ample space for accessories such as optics, lights, and vertical grips. The shotgun's fiber optic front sight and adjustable rear sight offer rapid target acquisition and precise aiming. With its smooth pump action and reliable feeding, the Fabarm STF-12 Compact shotgun is ready to perform in high-pressure situations. Whether you're a professional operator or a discerning shooter, the STF-12 Compact is your reliable and compact companion. Embrace the power and versatility of the Fabarm STF-12 Compact shotgun, a force to be reckoned with in close quarters engagements. Number 3. Remington Model 870DM. A groundbreaking shotgun that combines the timeless reliability of the Model 870 with the convenience of a detachable magazine system. With its 18.5-inch barrel and compact design, the Model 870DM is built for close-quarter encounters and rapid target engagements. Featuring a solid steel receiver and a durable synthetic stock, this pump-action shotgun is built to withstand the rigors of demanding environments. The Model 870DM offers quick and easy reloads with its detachable 6-round magazine, ensuring that you stay in the action without missing a beat. Its bead front sight and adjustable rear sight provide reliable aiming for fast target acquisition. The shotgun's dual action bars and reliable pump mechanism guarantee smooth cycling and consistent performance. Whether you're using it for home defense, hunting, or competitive shooting, the Remington Model 870DM is a versatile and dependable firearm. Experience the power and convenience of the Model 870DM, a shotgun that sets the standard for reliability and adaptability. Number 2. Winchester SXP Field. A versatile and reliable pump-action shotgun designed for field use and all-around shooting applications. With its 28-inch barrel and sleek design, the SXP Field offers excellent balance and handling, making it a joy to carry and shoot. The shotgun's synthetic stock is lightweight and durable, perfect for enduring long days in the field. The SXP Field features Winchester's renowned rotary bolt system, ensuring smooth and reliable cycling with each pump. Its Inflex technology recoil pad mitigates felt recoil, allowing for comfortable shooting even with heavy loads. Equipped with a 3-inch chamber and available in various gauges, including 12 and 20, the SXP Field offers versatility to meet your specific shooting needs. The shotgun's brass bead front sight provides a clear sight picture for quick target acquisition, while the chrome-plated chamber and bore offer corrosion resistance and easy maintenance. Whether you're pursuing game, shooting clay targets, or engaging in general outdoor activities, the Winchester SXP Field is a trusted companion that delivers exceptional performance and reliability. Embrace the heritage of Winchester with the SXP Field, a shotgun designed for those who demand excellence in the field. Number 1. Benelli SuperNova Shotgun. An innovative and versatile firearm that combines rugged durability with unparalleled performance. Built to excel in the most demanding environments, the SuperNova is a pump-action shotgun that delivers reliable operation and exceptional recoil management. With its 18.5-inch or 24-inch barrel options, the SuperNova is adaptable to various shooting applications, from home defense to hunting pursuits. The shotgun's synthetic stock and forend are built to withstand harsh conditions, providing a secure grip and added durability. The SuperNova features Benelli's renowned Comfortech recoil reduction system, which significantly reduces felt recoil, enabling faster follow-up shots and enhanced shooting comfort. Equipped with a rotating bolt head and a dual action bar system, the SuperNova ensures smooth and reliable cycling with each pump. The shotgun's ghost ring sights offer quick and precise target acquisition, while the receiver is drilled and tapped for easy optic mounting. Whether you're navigating tight spaces or challenging terrains, the Benelli SuperNova is a trusted companion that delivers unmatched performance and dependability. Experience the power and versatility of the Benelli SuperNova shotgun, a true force to be reckoned with.